How to fix YouTube restricted mode on iPhone. Can't watch certain videos on YouTube because of restricted mode? Here's how to disable it on iPhone. First, open YouTube. Tap on your profile picture. Then go to Settings and go to General. Then toggle off restricted mode if it's toggled on, like this. If it's still on, check your iPhone screen time settings and disable any content restrictions. Clear any cached data by offloading and reinstalling the app. Go to Settings and go to Storage, then find YouTube. Here you can offload the app. This resets hidden filters. Now you can access all videos without any restriction. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, or if this video managed to help you, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.